Alright guys, this is the second video. We changed the first video, we changed our oil. This video I'm going to show you guys how to clear the service alarm on a Mahindra M75. So right now I've just had the key in the ignition. You can see, I don't know if it's kind of sunny out right now, I don't think you can see the dashboard there, but nothing's lit up right now because I didn't turn the key. But I'm going to turn the key to the start. We're going to wait for the healthy green light to come on, which it will come on, but we're also going to get an alarm, which we're getting right now. See, the service light is on. The reason the service light is on is because at 50 hours, and we can see right down there, it says, what are we at, 51.2. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but we're at 51.2. At 50 hours, actually 49.2 on mine, but when it reached 50 hours, I started getting the alarm for the initial oil change out, which is just the break-in oil. So you get a service alarm, you know, to let you know to service the tractor. I've already changed the oil, but we have to clear the service alarm, and because I'm changing it myself and I don't want to take it to the dealership to have it changed, and you know, never mind the cost of transportation, but the cost of everything. So we're going to come down here, and it's actually not too bad to reset it. We come down here, and right inside I already have the bonnet or the hood popped on it, whatever you want to call it. There's a fuse box right down here. If we take the cover off to the fuse box, we can look at it. There's actually 4 fuses inside, right? And there's, see this reset right here? It's this right in the middle there where my middle finger is right there. Reset. So to actually reset the alarm, we're going to take one of the fuses, right? We're going to stick it in there. We're going to cycle the key to, we're not have to start it, but cycle it to on and let it, you know, clear, and then turn it off, and then we should be able to pull the fuse out and, you know, put it back into our spares, and the service alarm should be clear. I've heard some of the tractors you actually have to start them up. They said on this one that I should not have to start it up. I should just be able to put the fuse in and turn the key and just come up and clear upon initial starting. So I'm gonna give that a shot right now, and then we'll see if the alarm clears. All right, folks, back with you here. All right, so I just took the spare. There was a 5, 10, a 30, and something else. They said it didn't matter which one, so I just put the 10 amp fuse in the reset spot right here. So I'm gonna get up on the tractor now, and hopefully when I do this, it you know, clears it. So I'm gonna come up here right now. We can see the dash, right? Nothing's lit up. It's kind of sunny out today, forgive me. So I'm gonna turn the key just to the pre-start. Hopefully we get the healthy life light here in a second. We still have the service light came on for a second and then cleared. So we should be good to go. You see that, the service light, which is right above my finger, it lit up for a second and then went off. So now I'm gonna turn the machine off, turn it to the off position. I'm gonna go remove the fuse, and then hopefully I can get back up here, start up the tractor, and have no alarm.